Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're decoding something that is honestly incredibly liberating, a permanent, automated content creation system built straight from your source material. If you've ever felt totally bogged down by that never-ending repetitive grind of making content, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're going to look at how to build a machine that just works for you permanently. Let's dive right in by acknowledging a really frustrating cycle that pretty much all creators face. You know the feeling, starting every single new project from absolute square one. Just think about the sheer energy it takes just to begin. But what if you never had to stare at a blank page or start a project from scratch ever again? Like literally never. Consider the stark difference between the exhausting manual old workflow and what we're calling the new system. In the old way, you know how it goes. You're constantly hunting for tutorials, copying and pasting prompts, doing manual research, and basically resetting your whole brain every week. But in the new system, you build your intelligence base exactly once. It permanently stores your niche knowledge, and then Google Gemini steps in to structure your ideas from that point forward. It's a total game changer. So here's our blueprint for today. 1. Breaking the loop. 2. Building the knowledge base. 3. The story engine. 4. The asset generator. And finally, number 5, final assembly. Section 1. Breaking the loop. Let's end the AI reset. Right now, you probably find a tutorial, copy some prompts, and follow the steps to get a decent result. But then next week rolls around, you want to make another piece of content. And guess what? You're starting completely over. Your workflow just reset. You end up doing the exact same research, the same tedious prompt hunting, the same manual steps every single time. That is the AI reset loop. And today, we're breaking it for good. Moving on to Section 2, Building the Knowledge Base. This is where we create your permanent intelligence. Okay, so everything starts with creating 6 distinct files in Google's NotebookLM. You build these notebooks just one time, and they act as the essential fuel about your audience, your style, and your specific niche. You'll need specific notebooks for competitor research, audience psychology, hook and retention, video techniques, visual identity, and finally, tool prompt terms. And get this. Unless your niche radically changes, you will literally never touch these files again. To actually build these notebooks effectively, we're going to leverage data. First, you'll grab outlier URLs, those incredibly high-performing videos in your specific niche to figure out where the content gaps are. Then, you'll analyze the transcripts of just the first 60 seconds of those videos to find what actually hooks people in. And this is absolutely crucial. You'll feed in the official prompt guides for whatever generation tools you plan to use, like NanoBanana 2 or Veo 3. You're basically teaching the system exactly how to speak to your tools so you get perfect outputs every single time. All right, Section 3, the story engine. This is all about Gemini Gem 1. The story engine is your very first customized Gemini gem. I want you to think of Gemini here as your dedicated showrunner. By connecting all 6 of those NotebookLM files right to it, Gemini synthesizes all your disparate research into one brilliant automated scriptwriter. The only little catch to remember is that your NotebookLM and your Gemini tools absolutely must share the exact same Google account to link up properly. As the source points out, the gem doesn't come up with ideas for you. You bring the raw story. And honestly, this perfectly captures Gemini's true role in story creation. You supply the raw, emotional story, the specific details, the real human element. Then, Gemini acts as the ultimate structural mastermind, reframing your ideas into a highly watchable, retention-heavy format based on all that intelligence you gave it. Put simply, good thinking goes in, and the gem makes it great. Because you provided that raw story and a target length, Gemini handles all the structural heavy lifting. The output it gives you is a perfectly clean voiceover script. We're talking no annoying labels, no bracketed text, 0 stage directions mixed in. It's just the words, perfectly structured and completely ready to be dropped straight into an audio tool. Let's hit Section 4, the asset generator. Time to build a visual blueprint. First up, you take that squeaky clean script over into an audio tool like 11 Labs. Interestingly enough, their free tier actually gives you enough characters for about a 15 to 20-minute video every single month. You generate your audio, but, and this is a big but, the absolute most important step here is that you must write down your exact audio length in seconds. You are going to need that precise number for the very next step. So now we introduce our second gem, the asset generator. You set this up exactly like the first one, connecting those same 6 notebooks. But this one acts as your production manager. You feed it your final voiceover script and that exact audio length in seconds you just wrote down. This is also the exact moment where you lock in your specific visual style, say a cinematic look. So the gem never has to guess what kind of vibe you're going for. The crucial point here is the math. You have to specify your scene duration to the gem. Let's say your video generation tool creates 6-second clips. You would input 5.5 seconds for the scene duration. Why? Because that leaves exactly half a second reserved for your visual transitions in the editor. If your tool makes 8-second clips, you'd enter 7.5. The rule of thumb is always clip length minus 0.5. The final output from this second gem is an incredibly structured production table. It maps out the scene order, the exact voiceover segment, the image prompt, and the video prompt. And because it already knows your exact audio length and your precise scene duration, it gives you the exact scene count you need. It completely, 100% eliminates all the guesswork from your visual storytelling. Finally, Section 5, Final Assembly. Let's start actually putting this content together. Depending on your budget, this part is basically a choose-your-own-adventure based on your workflow. The paid path uses a tool like Higgsfield V3 and gives you much faster results. We're talking about 60 seconds per clip. Now, the free path, using Tencent Hunyuan 1.5, requires about 5 to 10 minutes per clip and does leave a small watermark. But honestly, a super quick 5-second crop in your editor fixes that watermark instantly. The source notes the quality is genuinely publishable either way, so you just have to decide. Do you want to pay with your money or with your time? Once you pick your path, things move insanely fast. Your production table dictates literally everything. You just grab your prompts, generate your base images with a tool like Nano Banana 2, and keep in mind, stronger starting images means stronger final video clips. Next, you animate those clips, drop them into your editor in order, add some simple dissolve transitions, and lay your background music underneath. The whole assembly process is unbelievably rapid because you're just following a blueprint that is already done for you. Now that Gemini has stepped in to completely remove the friction of prompt hunting and structuring, acting as your dedicated story engine and production manager, the entire landscape just totally changes. The only limit on your output now is the raw imagination and specific details you bring to the table. This system permanently knows your niche, so if you never have to start from scratch again, what stories will you tell next? Thanks for exploring this system with me.